So you just got an invite from a friend and you're probably wondering why or what this is all about. But it's simple. Your friend wants you to save money and they're excited because they know this video will help you do it. And if you stick around for a minute, we'll prove it. And so what if I told you you're throwing away money every single day because of how you get electricity? That year in, year out, you happily spend more than you have to, and it's robbing you of your hard-earned cash. Now, unfortunately, this isn't just some story. It's likely happening to you right now. And the friend that invited you here would rather see you spending that money on family, on friends, heck, even on them. But every month you pay a utility company for your electricity, you're watching your savings go up in smoke and you don't even realize it's happening. And furthermore, you may not realize you have a choice. But you do. You see, the friend that invited you here, they're part of a silent rebellion. A smart, sophisticated, savvy group of people who've been ditching their expensive energy bills altogether. What if you could too? Well, thanks to groundbreaking revolutions in the world of technology, you can. Homeowners are already saving thousands every year from a little-known secret that's revolutionizing how people get power. You could be one of them. So here's the deal. Your friend wants you to see what's on the other side of this page. All you have to do is enter your zip code, and if you qualify, you could potentially get a cheaper energy bill instantly and every month. Just imagine that for a second. Think of what you could do with all that extra cash. Then, when you're done, we'll take you to one more video, the one with all the juicy details. The only problem is, you'll be mad your friend didn't send you this video sooner.